Now that you know how to access your calendar, we'll show you how to set up a class schedule that will automatically generate sessions for you to submit for payment each week. Looking at your calendar, click the day that the class is slated to start. This will bring you to the Add Event screen. Now let's work our way through the required boxes, starting on the left side. The event name is an optional box. You can type the event, your student's name, or leave it blank. The calendar box should read your name, as we want the sessions you submit to be recorded for your payment. There are two start boxes. The first will indicate the date of the class, and the second will indicate the start time. You can type the start time directly in the box or select the start time from the matrix below. The duration box will indicate how long the class is anticipated to be. All classes should be rounded to the nearest quarter hour. Use 0.25 to indicate 15 minutes. 0.5 to indicate 30 minutes, and 0.75 to indicate 45 minutes. The end time will adjust after entering the duration. If not, you can type the end time directly in the box or select the end time from the matrix below. To create a repeating class on the calendar, check the recurring box. This will bring up more fields in a gray box below. The type box will indicate how often the class occurs. Every week will be the most common selection. The next two boxes are labeled Number and Recur Until. You only need to fill in one of these boxes. You can indicate either a number of recurrences or a date you would like the recurrence to end. You might use the number box if you know your student will likely have 30 two-hour classes. You could use the Recur Until box if you know an end date for the program. Now select which days class is scheduled to occur by clicking the corresponding checkboxes. Now go to the next section in gray. The only thing to be done here is to add the student. Click the Add Attendee button and begin typing your student's name in the box. Select them from the drop-down menu that appears. Now let's look at the boxes on the right side. Next to location, select the location for the class from the drop-down menu. Please make sure to indicate if the class was virtual via a web conferencing platform like Skype. Select the language of instruction from the drop-down menu for the subject box. Unless otherwise instructed, select Standard Rate for session type. Select the correct time zone. If you are in the United States, you may have to scroll up to the top of the drop-down menu and use the options hidden there. Otherwise, scroll down past the blank space until you find a time zone that matches your location. Click Save. You've now created a recurring calendar event that will automatically generate sessions for you to submit each week.